calculate the change. Once we have initial number of moles and equilibrium moles of a particular substance, we can calculate the change in moles. Right? The formula for change in moles, delta N equals N final minus N initial. N final will be the number of moles at equilibrium. N initial will be the initial moles. So we are simply going to say 0.162 minus 1.381, which will give us negative 1,219. Okay, so it's a negative change, negative 1.219. Okay, we now have the change of one substance. What do we use it for? We use it to determine the change for the other substance, making use of the ratio. Okay, our ratio is 1:2. So if the ratio is 1:2, it means the change in moles of carbon dioxide has to be double this change. Okay, so double this change means we are multiplying this by 2, which gives us 2,438. Is it a positive or negative change? Positive change. If reactants change negatively, products will change positively. We cannot have both reactants and products changing negatively. Okay, so this is a positive change. Okay, we now have our change in the moles of carbon monoxide. The next thing will be to calculate the equilibrium moles. How do we calculate the equilibrium moles? We now just add 0 to 2.438. Okay, which will just be 2.438. Okay, we now have our equilibrium moles of carbon monoxide. After that, we go to concentration. How do we get the concentration? Number of moles over the volume. So it's going to be 2.438 divided by 2, which simplifies to, where is the 3? Oh, thank you. The volume is 3. Right? It simplifies to 0.8 moles per cubic decimeter. Right, so now we have our concentrations at equilibrium for all the two substances. We move on to the Kc expression. What's going to be the Kc expression for this equation? Concentration of carbon monoxide, which is the product. Concentration of carbon monoxide squared because of the coefficient 2 divided by the concentration of carbon dioxide. Then we substitute. Our concentration for carbon monoxide 0.812, we square it, divided by the concentration of carbon dioxide 0.054. Simplify it. It's 12.21. Quite easy. 7 marks for doing this. Yes. 7 marks. Thank you. Right, let me give you another question.